welcome back. So we did have mostly sunny skies across the region as we made our way through the day, and some of that smoke continued to get into our forecast area, especially from North Platte and points off to the east. Currently at 81 degrees, about 9 degrees below where we should be this time of year, the hottest time of the year with those average highs near 90. Wind is east around 10 miles per hour, and that dew point is getting up there. Really humid for this climate at 67 degrees. For the dew point. So temperatures outside look like this. So the coolest air up toward Valentine, out toward Broken Bow into the upper 70s, near 80 at North Platte and Lexington, and upper 80s at Ogallala and Imperial, with your winds mainly from a southeasterly direction. Wind speeds right now between 10 and 15 miles per hour, continuing to pump in the southerly wind, pumping in the heat, and then that easterly wind produces moisture for the humidity. As for the weather alerts, we do have an air quality warning. This goes all the way until noon Central Time tomorrow. It is basically from Lincoln County and points off to the east because of the smoke that's in the atmosphere, and it's going to stick around at least for the next day or so. Here's a look at the satellite loop. Now we do have partly cloudy skies out toward Arthur, Ogallala, and Imperial, mostly sunny, but watch out for that smoke from North Platte and points off to the east. Now as for the weather maps, do have a high just off to our north and east, continuing to pump in that warm air, but another low is going to track to our north. We are going to get its cold front, and the backside is going to set up over us. So we do have a few days. We will have some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, and some of the times, if the showers and storms do develop, we do have the possibility of some severe weather. Here's a look at the severe outlook for the next few days. There is a chance that some storms develop in the Sandhills and track off to the east very late this evening into the overnight. Because of that, we do have a slight risk up to the north with I-80 and points off to the south, and that marginal risk, meaning that only 1 or 2 storms could be severe. Marginal risk across the entire viewing area on your Tuesday. Low chance that storms will develop, but if they do, we do have a possibility of some of them being severe, and we'll do it again on Wednesday with that marginal risk of severe weather. So here's a look at the skycast. You're not going to see much on it. Here's a look at what to expect. You can see some showers and storms tracking off to our north. We will see if they can actually reach far enough to hit the I-80 corridor as we make our way through later on to the evening. Otherwise, staying on the mild side, more storms missing us off to the north during the overnight. And then as we make our way through your Tuesday, partly to mostly cloudy skies. High temperatures, though, getting closer to 90. We have a stronger southerly wind into Tuesday evening. You saw the isolated chances of some showers and storms, and we'll do it all again on Wednesday. Again, most of us staying dry, but you could pick up an isolated storm. Wednesday's highs will be into the mid to upper 80s across the region. So there's that low tracking to the north, but the back end of this cold front does set up over us, so we'll have that clashing of air masses with the storms possible. Now, as we finish out the work, we can go through the weekend. More high pressure is in charge of our forecast, and we'll have sunshine and really start to warm up. So as for the weather outlook, the nicest conditions are off to our north and east, with the stormy conditions into the Midwest and Northeast, and that heat dome still stays to our south and west. But watch out for that smoke, especially from North Platte and points off to the east. So we will keep a high into the upper 80s the next couple of days, with slight chances of some showers and storms, especially in the evening. 40% on Thursday, and then there's your sunshine. Temperatures back into the mid-90s as we finish out the weekend. Kent?
All right, yes, sounds good, and like to continue to see those chances of rain here this week.
Yeah, but it looks like we do have a good chance on Thursday.
All right, thanks so much. If you woke up feeling lucky this morning, well, then today just might be your day. The Powerball jackpot jumped